Very good afternoon, student. Today we are going to discuss about Vedic culture. In the previous class, we are learned sources of Vedic literature. What are the two types of the sources of the Vedic literature? Shruti and Smriti. And Shruti is there four Vedas, Brahmanas, Aryangas, and Upanishads. What is the Smriti is there? Itikas, Puranas, and Sutras. What under Idikasas? Ramayana and Mahabharata. What under Puranas? Shiva Purana, Vishnu Purana. Sutras mean Dharma Sutra, Manusmriti, Narada Smriti. What's the motto of the national motto of India? Satyame Jayade. It's taken from Mundaka Upanishads. Now, today we are going to see the politics and society of Vedic culture. In the Rig Vedic period, the kingship based, what is the politics they followed? Kingship based. What is the name is called? Kula was the basic unit of the politics. It was under the head. Is the head of the politics is the Kulabadi. What is the name is called? Kulabadi. Several family joined together to form what is the grama. It's a village. Grama was headed. Who is the head of the grama? Gramane. A group of the village is called Vish. This is a clan. It was headed by Vishyabadi. What is the name? Vishyabadi. Rajan was the head of the Jana, the tribe, and was addressed as the Janasaya Gopa, the guardian of people. There were several tribal kingdoms. The name is the tribal kingdom of name is called Rashtra's. During the Rig Vedic period, they are called another name Bharadas, Mastyas, and Pranas. Next, we are see the king. The main responsibility of the Rajan was protected his tribe. His powers were limited by the tribal assembly. What under mean? Vidaga, Sabha, Samadhi, and Gana. What is the name? Vidaga, Sabha, Samadhi, and Gana. Of this Vidaga, it is the oldest assembly of the tribal. The Sabha means a council of elders. What does it mean by Sabha? A council of elders. Samadhi means assembly of people. What do you mean by Samadhi? Assembly of people. The king will be appointed. The king appointed a Purohit, the chief priest, to assist him in the temple. In economic, political, and military matters, the king was assisted by who assisted Senai, the army chief. The Gramani was leader of village. Who is the leader of the village? Gramani. When the Aryans moved, first Aryans settled in the north side. Afterwards, they moved to eastward into Ganges, Yamuna, and Dov region. The early settlements were replaced by the territorial kingdom. They follow the hereditary kingship. Means what does it mean by now? Father after die the father means who ruling the son. After one by they had fall come with the her family began to emerge in the monarchical form of the government. The power of the king increased and performed want to another increase and another. They want a strong her position. They make more yes most of the various ritual and sacrifice. Why they will make this mean position strong for the king. Many Janas or tribals were amalgamated from form of Janapadas or Rashtrakutas. Many Janas of the tribals so joined the group. They are formed then the Janapadas and Rashtras in later Vedic period. The importance of the Samadhi and Sama diminished and the Vidaga completely will be disappeared the period of later Vedic period. New status are emerged. The Pali, so one of the tax, was voluntarily contributed to the people to the king. In the later Vedic period, Pali was treated as the tax and collected will be regularly. The Guru and Panchal kingdom flourished. Panchal means flow the 5 rivers. Places is called the Panchal. Flourished and large cities like what is the name is called Ayodhya, Indrapradesh, and Mathura also emerged during this period. What do you mean by the Pali? The tax consulting of 1/6 of the agriculture produce or cattle for a person. Tax means consulting another 1/6 part. We have another, the part will be split at the 6 part. So one part will be paid to the king. Next we are going to see about the social organization. The Vedic family was the patriarchal, means the dominating of the male is the head of the father. The fair complexion Aryan distinguish themselves from the dark complex non-Aryans, whom they are called Dashyas and Dashas. What is the name is called the non-Aryan? Dashyas and Dashas. Within the early Vedic society, there were three divisions. The general public people are called Vish. What is the name is called? Vish. The warrior means a soldier. That group was called Kesastriyas. And the priestly class, another priestly classes was named as the Brahmanas. They are another doing the rituals in the temple. At the later stage, when the Aryans had to accommodate non-Aryans skilled in workers. Later, the Aryans will be learning with another non-Aryan working skill. So they formed, they have split the rich four where Varma system was developed. So the priestly Brahmanas, the warrior Kesastriya, the land owning Vishyas and skilled workers of the Sutra. The segregated of the social order emerged. So although the Vedic age is the evidence by the good number of the texts, it does not have the adequate amount of the material evidence. So this is the another culture of the Vedic period. So today we are learn about the politics and society and king. What do you mean the Vitaka and Sabha and Samati and Pali. So read and come the next class I will ask the question. Thank you.